Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 14th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from ESCO. Joining us is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. I'm excited to discuss ESCO's performance in the fourth quarter and the full fiscal year 2024.
Let's start with a brief introduction. ESCO is a global provider of highly engineered products and solutions, serving diverse markets such as aerospace, defense, and utilities. They've just released their Q4 and FY 2024 earnings report. John, what are your initial thoughts?
Well, ESCO has shown a strong performance this quarter, with significant growth in sales and earnings. It's clear that their strategic initiatives are paying off, and I'm eager to delve into the details.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. ESCO reported a net revenue of $299 million for Q4 2024, which is a 9.5% increase compared to last year. John, can you shed some light on this?
Absolutely. The revenue growth is driven by both organic sales and contributions from the MPE acquisition. Organic sales increased by 8.5%, while the acquisition added another 1% to the revenue. This indicates a robust demand across their segments.
And what about profitability? How did ESCO perform in terms of earnings?
ESCO's Adjusted EPS for Q4 was $1.46, a 16.8% increase from the previous year. For the full fiscal year, Adjusted EPS rose by 13% to 4.18 cents. This growth in earnings is a testament to their effective cost management and operational efficiencies.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. John, let's talk about the segment performance. How did ESCO's different business units fare this quarter?
The Aerospace and Defense segment saw a remarkable 16.2% increase in sales, driven by strong demand in Navy and aerospace programs. The Utility Solutions Group also performed well, with a 6.2% sales increase, thanks to growth in services and condition monitoring.
And what about the Test segment?
The Test segment returned to growth in Q4, with sales increasing by 3.6%. This was largely due to the MPE acquisition and strong performance in medical shielding and aerospace projects.
ESCO also announced a significant acquisition. Can you tell us more about that?
Yes, ESCO has agreed to acquire the Signature Management and Power business for $550 million. This acquisition is expected to enhance their Navy business significantly, providing increased content on domestic and international Navy programs.
Financial health and cash flow. Let's shift our focus to ESCO's financial health. How did they perform in terms of cash flow?
ESCO generated $72 million in operating cash flow during Q4 and $128 million for the full fiscal year, which is a significant increase from the previous year. This strong cash flow supports their ongoing investments and strategic initiatives.
And what about their cash position?
They ended the year with a net cash increase of $24 million, bringing their cash and cash equivalents to nearly $66 million. This solid cash position allows them to continue paying dividends, with the next quarterly dividend set at 0.08 cents per share.
Future outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, what is ESCO's outlook for 2025?
Management expects sales to grow by 6 to 8% in 2025, with Adjusted EPS projected to increase by 12 to 17%. They anticipate growth across all business segments, driven by strong demand in aerospace, defense, and utility markets.
Are there any strategic initiatives or challenges on the horizon?
Yes, ESCO is conducting a strategic review of their VACO space business to optimize their portfolio. Additionally, they expect to close the SM&P acquisition in Q2 FY 2025, which will further strengthen their Navy business.
Key takeaways. In summary, ESCO has delivered a strong performance in Q4 and FY 2024, with record sales and earnings. Their strategic initiatives, including the SM&P acquisition and the VACO space business review, position them well for future growth. John, any final thoughts?
ESCO's robust financial health and strategic focus on high-growth markets make it an attractive investment prospect. Their ability to consistently deliver strong results is commendable.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on ESCO's performance in the comments below.